and welcome to Last Week Tonight. Tonight's topic, a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence, a field that's evolving faster than ever before, where things are about to get really interesting. We're talking about breakthroughs that could change the way we live, work, and even think. Buckle up, because we're heading to China, the land of pandas, ridiculously delicious food, and a tech scene that's booming like never before. And a little something called DeepSeek. This isn't just another AI system, it's a game changer. Now, DeepSeek isn't the name of some exotic kung fu move, though it is pretty damn impressive. It's a marvel of modern technology. Imagine an AI so advanced that it can outperform many of the systems we currently rely on. It's actually a cutting-edge AI system developed by Chinese tech giant Baidu. This company has been at the forefront of AI research and development. And let me tell you folks, this ain't your grandma's AI that can barely tell a cat from a cucumber. This is next-level stuff. DeepSeek is the real deal. It's designed to handle tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. It's capable of analyzing massive datasets, recognizing complex patterns, and making decisions based on that data, and making predictions with an accuracy that would make Nostradamus green with envy. Imagine predicting stock market trends or even potential health crises. We're talking about an AI that could potentially revolutionize everything from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. The possibilities are endless. The emergence of DeepSeek signifies China's ambition to become a global leader in the field of artificial intelligence. This is a bold statement on the world stage. It's a clear shot across the bow to the United States, a country that has long been considered the leader in tech innovation, signaling that the battle for AI supremacy is well and truly on. The stakes have never been higher, and the competition is fierce. For years, China was seen as the world's factory, churning out cheap knockoffs of Western products. The image of China was synonymous with mass production and low-cost goods. But folks, those days are long gone. Today, China is a powerhouse of innovation and technological advancement. China has undergone a technological transformation that would make a Silicon Valley executive's head spin. The pace and scale of this change are nothing short of astonishing. We're talking about a country that's home to some of the world's most valuable tech companies like Alibaba, Tencent, and Huawei. These companies are not just industry leaders in China but are making waves globally. These giants aren't just copying Western ideas anymore. They're innovating at breakneck speed, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology. Developing cutting-edge technologies in areas like e-commerce, social media, and 5G wireless networks. China's tech ecosystem is vibrant and rapidly evolving. And let's not forget about China's massive investment in AI. The country is pouring resources into becoming a global leader in artificial intelligence. The Chinese government has made no secret of its ambition to become the world leader in AI by 2030, setting clear goals and investing heavily in this sector, pouring billions of dollars into research, development, and talent acquisition. They're building smart cities, developing autonomous vehicles, and creating a future where technology seamlessly integrates into daily life, and even using AI to improve healthcare and education. The impact of these advancements is being felt across various sectors, enhancing the quality of life for millions. China's tech sector is like a rocket ship on steroids, accelerating at an unprecedented rate and showing no signs of slowing down. And DeepSeek is just the latest dazzling display of its firepower. The future of technology is being shaped in China, and the world is taking notice. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the panda in the server room. The rise of China's tech sector has inevitably led to comparisons with the United States, the long-standing champion of technological innovation. It's a classic East meets West showdown, with both sides boasting their own unique strengths and weaknesses. The U.S., with its Silicon Valley legacy, has a deep well of venture capital, a culture of entrepreneurship, and a long history of groundbreaking research. China, on the other hand, benefits from a massive domestic market, a government that's willing to invest heavily in emerging technologies, and a seemingly endless supply of talented engineers and scientists. It's a clash of titans, folks, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Now, it's tempting to frame this competition as a winner-take-all zero-sum game, but the reality is far more nuanced. The global economy is not a simple battlefield where one nation's gain is another's loss. The US and China are not just rivals, They're also deeply interconnected trading partners, with supply chains that span the globe. Their tech sectors are intertwined in a complex web of collaborations, investments, and dependencies. Innovations in one country often spur advancements in the other. Yes, there are concerns about intellectual property theft and unfair competition, and those issues need to be addressed through dialogue and regulation. Governments and businesses must work together to create fair and transparent systems. But it's important to remember that both countries stand to gain from advancements in AI. Collaborative efforts can lead to breakthroughs that benefit humanity as a whole. Whether it's developing new cancer treatments that save lives, or creating more efficient energy grids that help combat climate change, the potential benefits of AI are vast and far-reaching. The innovations in AI can lead to smarter cities, better healthcare, and more sustainable living environments. Instead of viewing each other as existential threats, the U.S. and China should focus on fostering cooperation and mutual growth. The future of global progress depends on our ability to work together, sharing knowledge and resources. Collaboration in areas of shared interest can lead to unprecedented advancements. After all, when it comes to tackling global challenges like climate change and pandemics, we're all on the same team. The stakes are too high for us to act in isolation. By working together, we can create a better, more prosperous world for everyone. Section 5: DeepSeek's Ripple Effect, Sending Tremors Through Wall Street. Now let's talk about the impact of all this on everyone's favorite topic, money. Specifically, the U.S. stock market. The emergence of DeepSeek and other Chinese AI breakthroughs has sent ripples through Wall Street, with some analysts predicting a seismic shift in the balance of power. Some U.S. tech giants are feeling the heat, as investors start to question whether they can keep pace with their Chinese counterparts. But remember folks, the stock market is a fickle beast, prone to irrational exuberance and bouts of panic. While DeepSeek's success is undoubtedly impressive, it's premature to write off U.S. tech just yet. The U.S. still boasts some of the most innovative companies in the world, and they're not going down without a fight. Section 6: A rising tide lifts all boats. The global impact of AI advancements. Now let's zoom out for a second and consider the bigger picture. The advancements in AI we're seeing, both in China and the U.S., have the potential to transform our world in profound ways. We're talking about a future where AI could help us diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, personalize education for every student, and create safer and more efficient transportation systems. And that's just scratching the surface. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and we need to be mindful of the potential risks of AI as well. But if we can harness this technology responsibly, the possibilities are truly limitless. Section 7: The Ethical Considerations, Navigating the Moral Maze of AI. Now, before we all get carried away with AI-powered utopia, let's address the elephant in the algorithm ethics. Because folks, AI isn't just about lines of code and fancy algorithms, it's about values, principles, and the kind of future we want to create. We're talking about issues like algorithmic bias, where AI systems perpetuate and even amplify existing societal prejudices. We're talking about job displacement, as AI automates tasks previously performed by humans. And we're talking about privacy concerns, as AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data. These are complex and challenging issues that require careful consideration and thoughtful regulation. We need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Section 8: Collaboration, not conflict, the path to a shared AI future. So, how do we navigate this brave new world of AI? Well folks, it starts with recognizing that this isn't just a two-horse race between the US and China. This is a global challenge that requires global solutions. Instead of engaging in a zero-sum tech war, we need to foster collaboration and cooperation between nations. We need to establish international standards and ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. And we need to invest in education and research to ensure that everyone has the skills and knowledge to thrive in an AI-powered world. Because ultimately, folks, the future of AI is not about which country comes out on top. It's about harnessing the power of this technology to solve our greatest challenges and create a better future for all. Section 9: Conclusion: The Dawn of a New Era in Artificial Intelligence. As we stand on the cusp of this new era in artificial intelligence, one thing is clear: the future is unwritten. The choices we make today will determine whether AI becomes a force for good or a source of division and inequality. The US and China may be rivals in the tech arena, but they also share a responsibility to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. By embracing collaboration, fostering innovation, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can create a future where AI empowers us to solve our greatest challenges and build a brighter tomorrow. And that, folks, is something worth fighting for.